This video attempts to explain a few comparison problems in GRE arithmetic and also how to interpret graphs. Coming to the first question, R, S, T are three consecutive odd integers such that R less than S less than T. We have two quantities, quantity A and quantity B. Quantity A is R plus S plus 1 and quantity B is S plus T minus 1. Now we need to compare quantity A with quantity B. So you have option 1 where quantity A is greater, option 2 where quantity B is greater, option 3 where the two quantities are equal, and option 4 where the relationship cannot be determined from the information given. Coming to the first option, if R plus S plus 1 is greater than S plus T minus 1. Cancelling S from both sides, we have R plus 1 greater than T minus 1. Now R, S, T are three consecutive odd integers such that R less than S less than T. So if R equal to 1, S equal to 3 and T equal to 5, that is three consecutive odd integers which satisfy this condition, then R plus 1 would be 2 and T minus 1 would be 4. 2 is not greater than 4. So this does not hold. So option 1 cannot be true. Coming to the second option, if R plus S plus 1 is less than S plus T minus 1, cancelling S from both sides, we have R plus 1 less than T minus 1. So R is less than T minus 2. Now if R, S, T are three consecutive odd integers, then T minus R minus T would be minus 4. There would be a difference of 4 between R and T. So R minus T is minus 4, which is less than minus 2. So quantity B is greater. That means the option 2 is right. Coming to the next question, machine R working alone at a constant rate produces X units of a product in 30 minutes. And machine S working alone at a constant rate produces X units of a product in 48 minutes, where X is a positive integer. We need to compare quantity A and quantity B, where quantity A is the number of units of the product that machine R working alone at a constant rate can produce in 3 hours, and quantity B is number of units of the product that machine S working alone can produce in 4 hours. Now machine R can produce X units of a product in 30 minutes. This is a unitary method problem. So in 1 minute machine R, the work done would be X by 30. So in 3 hours, the work done would be X by 30 into 3. This is in minutes. So convert the hours to minutes. So multiply by 60. This would be 6X. Machine S produces X units of a product in 48 minutes. So machine S 1 minute work is X by 48. Machine S 4 hours work would be X by 48 into 4 into 60, which would be 5X. So comparing the two, 6X is greater than 5X. So quantity A is greater. So the answer would be option 1. Next, we have a graph of a function fx, and the figure shows the graph of the function f in the xy plane. Find f of minus 1. Coming to the principle of BODMAS, we go to the innermost bracket first. F of minus 1 is 2 and f of 2 would be 1. So your answer would be 1. Again a comparison question. If x is any integer greater than 1, we need to compare 3 raised to x plus 1 and 4 raised to x. Taking arbitrary numbers, we start with x equal to 2 because x is greater than 1. If x equal to 2, 3 cubed is 27, which would be greater than 4 squared, which is 16. If x equal to 3, 3 raised to 4, 3 cubed plus 1, 3 raised to 4 is 81, which would be greater than 64. If x here, quantity A is greater than quantity B in both these cases. If x equal to 4, 3 raised to 5 equal to 243 and 4 raised to 4 is 256. So in this case, quantity B is greater. So the relationship cannot be determined from the information given. So your answer would be choice D.